When your ovary releases an egg, it travels down one of the fallopian tubes to your uterus.
The sperm moves out of the tubules, into the epididymis, and then into the vas deferens. The vas deferens carry the sperm upward into the body cavity. After the sperm leaves the vas deferens through the ejaculatory duct. From here, the semen travels into the 8-inch long urethra.
Damn, that could be fun. I bet you I can get her.
Please.
Please! I'd like to see that happen. Check out my skill, man. This guy's big, smooth. Hey, is your daddy a baker? Cause you have some nice buns. Yeah, that's whack. See, you do better. Okay, I got this. If I could rearrange the alphabet, I'd put you and I together. Oh! That's how it's done. That's where you trying to get there. When you're looking for a long-term relationship, what is this?
Watch.
Hey, Shai, are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see.
Yeah, that's so dumb.
Is that supposed to be Shai?
Well, like, my grandpa said that last
Do
week.
something better.
Yeah. Yeah, I lost my teddy bear. Could I sleep with you tonight?
I don't know.
Yo soy español. Think about it.
I'm black.
I'm Arab, you know. Arab family.
I took you. What was that?
No, you were actually
During sexual intercourse, about 300 million sperm enter the vagina. Soon afterward, millions of them will either flow out of the vagina or die in its acidic environment. However, many survive because of the protective elements provided in the fluid surrounding them. Next, the sperm must pass through the cervix, an opening into the uterus. Usually, it remains tightly closed, but here the cervix is open for a few days while the woman ovulates. The sperm swim through the cervical mucus, which is thinned to a more watery consistency for easier passage. Once inside the cervix, the sperm continues swimming toward the uterus, though millions will die trying to make it through the mucus. Some sperm remain behind, caught in the folds of the cervix, but they may later continue the journey as a backup to the first group. Next, half the sperm head for the empty fallopian tube, while the other half swim toward the tube containing the unfertilized egg. Now, only a few thousand remain. Inside the fallopian tube, tiny cilia push the egg toward the uterus. To continue, the sperm must surge against this motion to reach the egg. Some sperm get trapped in the cilia and die. During this part of the journey, chemicals in the reproductive tract cause the membranes covering the heads of the sperm to change. As a result, the sperm become hyperactive, swimming harder and faster toward their destination. At long last, the sperm reach the egg. Only a few dozen of the original 300 million sperm remain. The first sperm to make contact will fertilize the egg. After a perilous journey and against incredible odds, a single sperm attaches to the egg cell membrane. Within a few minutes, their outer membranes fuse and the egg pulls the sperm inside.